In this review, I'm going to give you an honest look to see if PointsPrizes ledger and get paid from it or not. I'm gonna give you advice and few tips and see what it has to offer to know if it will be worth your time or not. It is a simple server side. I will show you around, so I will just log in. I am now logged into PointsPrizes. You sign up with your email to log in. Let's take a look at what PointsPrizes have to offer here. PointsPrizes is not just server ID. PointsPrizes is that get paid to side, which means it has several ways you can earn. You have this menu here with the top offers. You can see how many points you will get and what you will get. There is all kind of like some math skills, and you can see if it's worth your time or not. There is all kind of like a little quiz, some different things. So that's the main top office, take home, and over here you can see and find out how to navigate different ways. And there is also offer walls. They have all these different kinds of these offer walls. These offer walls has several offers, all of these different kinds of offers from third-party providers. It can be to download games, sign up for free trials. It can be also to download apps. Personally, I prefer taking these, and there is offers that can give really good rewards. Sometimes PointsPrizes has quite a lot of different offer walls, and that is good about PointsPrizes. So you can find a lot of offers in one place, and again it has also quite a lot of different offer walls. You can find the same third-party providers on other server sites and through third-party providers. We can also take surveys where they are, in my opinion, are better to take and worth more. You have to be a little to find the survey, and as you can see there is quite a few different surveys opportunities here. You actually qualify for them, PointsPrizes, and also get paid through playing games. You have gaming offers, so you can play different games and get paid, and you should know this. That's really not a lot, so just make sure to check that. That's like kind of different rewards, so you can actually know what you need to do to get the points. And there are videos ads, so you can click and watch videos and get paid, like any site that offer his kind of videos, and that also goes for PointsPrizes. Be aware that usually the rewards are very small. It's really a way to earn real money, and the last way you can earn is quick. It's super fast to get points. There is like the low ones. You can see this just a few quick questions, so all these are the opportunities to earn here. It's very easy to just quickly participate in this. And in the menu over here there is something called claim process. That's where you can see the different payout methods. The payout threshold is easy and simple to use. They have payback where you need 3,000 points to cash out. 1 point is 1 cent here, and the value of points are not always the same. It kind of depends on your reward. I think it's very confusing to figure out, but in most cases 1 point are like less than 1 cent. It depends on the reward you prefer. Actually, paying cash through payback is one of my preferred ways. They have so many different payout methods. The payout threshold $20 is a little bit high compared to other surveys, so PointsPrizes has quite a lot of different ways. Compared to other similar sites, and you can take many of the same survey. In general, more opportunities in my experience. So don't forget to make a like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.